Okie dokie then, let's do an update. Happy solstice, everybody. June 21st, longest day of the year. It's all good, it's all good. So, these types of events, of course, bring us certain energies, certain new clearings, and one of the questions that Nicola always asks, what's new? What's new? Kelly always asks, what's new? So, here is something that is, I'm going to say, significant. So yesterday I'm working with somebody, and this person has some blood sugar issues, if you know what I mean, the big D, or not quite the big D, but blood sugar issues anyway. So what I found is that this person's insulin was in retrograde. What does retrograde mean? Well, we've all heard of Mercury retrograde, and the word retrograde, if you look up the meaning, it means something going backwards. So the insulin is not doing its job. It's going backwards. It's not quite there. It's like putting a round peg in a square hole, let's say. So that, to me, was significant, interesting. So we developed a question on the question chart. What area within this person is in retrograde? So all day yesterday it was coming up pretty big for everybody. Now, of course, I work on myself on a weekly basis for sure, like everybody else. So I asked what area in my body is in retrograde, and the answer I got was the electrons in my RNA are spinning backwards. Interesting. So we moved it out, and now we have to wait and see what happens as far as that goes. But that in itself, I think, is interesting enough. Now, I've also gotten some direction to remove the intent of Mercury retrograde within somebody. Of course, we all blame Mercury retrograde for anything bad that happens in our lives. You forget something, oh, Mercury must be in retrograde, blah, blah, blah. So that in itself can create some negative things happening within your body. Now, another thing that's been coming up quite a bit is the intent of the second dimension. So second dimension, being low level energy, has an intent to cause problems within us. Witchcraft spells, shamanic spells, voodoo, etc. All this stuff, you can go away, can definitely be an issue. So we've been removing the intent of the second dimension within people, and it is bringing us to that point of working within something on a physical nature that is causing a problem, whether it be blood pressure, diabetes, blood sugar, whatever. And it can open those doors in order for us to get in there. So here we go. We're looking at what is in retrograde. So again, happy solstice. Have yourself a wonderful day. And this is Chris. We're out of here. Talk soon.